Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Expert Mathematics for Worked Example 2. You already understand the workshop. In this channel, we visit first time, then subscribe. Now we start the worked example. In this channel, all your problems will be solved about mathematics Oxford. Now we discuss as an example, and then we solve the unsolved problems. Now we continue for learning. Now we start. Here two columns, vector A and B, are such that the values of the vector A is x minus 2, 3 minus y. The upper digit, which is the x axis along, and lower digit, which is along the y axis, and the vector B 4 minus x, y minus 6. If A is equal to B, find the values of x and y. Very simple. If the vector A and vector B are same, then we can find the values of x and y. Write down the negative of vector A as a column vector. Very simple. Just we can replace the symbol. X become negative, 2 become positive, 3 become negative, y become positive. First we can learn how we solve this problem. For this problem, first we can identify how we solve the problem. What is the problem? First we discuss what is the problem. So the problem is, show that magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. So the answer is under root 13/4. Magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. Express y in terms of x. Explain A may not be equal. Why? What's the reason for this? Here we define the solution. Here we can discuss the vector A and B are same. So vector A equal to the vector B. So x minus 2 equal to 4 minus x. 3 minus y equal to y minus 6. Here we can find the values of x. 2x equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. 2y minus equal to 9. So y become here, 6 become here. So 2y equal to 9, y is equal to 4 into 1 by 2. So the answer be satisfied. Here x is the 3 and y is the 4 into 1 by 2. Now the second part, A is this. The values of A where you can find, put in them. Then we can find the original vector A in which x and y are not included, because the values of x and y will be already solved. So the value that you can find x and y, we can put the original vector and find the vector without x and y. Now because we can find the vector A without x and y, then we can find the magnitude of the vector A and vector B very easily. So first we can put the values of x and y that I could find. So the value is vector 1 and minus 1 into 1 by 2. Now we can find the negative of vector A. So 1 become negative and minus into minus 1 over 2 become positive. And this way now we can find the magnitude of vector A, 1 raised square into plus minus 1 into 1 by 2 whole square. So the answer is 1 plus 9/4, which is equal to 13/4, which is the required answer. Now similarly we can find the vector B. For this purpose, in first part we can find the values of x and y. So that value x and y we can put them to find the vector B without x and y. So we can easily find the magnitude of the vector B. 1 raised square plus into minus 1 into 1 by 2 whole square. So the answer is 13/4 square root. Magnitude of A equal to the magnitude of B. 13/4 is square root shown. Next, the magnitude of A equal to the magnitude of B. Here we can find the magnitude of Y in terms of X. So very easy, squaring on both sides. So this square root will be cancelled on both sides, and then x square minus x minus 2, it means that a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is the x and b is the minus 2. So x square, which is a square, plus 4, which is the y square, and minus 2 into 2a into b, minus 4x. In this way, after simplification, we can find minus 4x plus 13 minus 6y equal to minus 8x minus 12y plus 52. So the y will be separate in one side and x will be separate or without terms other than x. We can shift on other side. So the y will be shifted from one side. Here we can discuss all the numbers without x and y. It means that we can find the values of y will be separate from them. So y is equal to minus 4x plus 39 divided by 6. Next, how is it possible the vector 2 are a magnitude in same, or you can understand, can two vectors have in same magnitude but the direction will be positive negative? It means that direction will be same or not? Yes. Is it 100% true? The two vectors have in different directions but the same in magnitude. Here we can discuss the solved problem. Now we can solve the unsolved problem. What is the unsolved problem? First we can identify and then solve this unsolved problem. For this purpose, this is the problem that you can solve immediately. Very easy. Now we can start two column vector a and b, which is the given vector x plus 2 and 4 minus y equal to the vector b 10 minus x into y minus 5. Dear students, you can see here the vector a and vector b will be equal. So we can find the values of x and y in the same method. You can already understand in the practice. Now practice example 2. Here we can start the practice example unsolved, where we can identify unsolved. So the answer is 13 over 4 square root. Here 145 over 4 square root you can find. Don't worry, very easy. First we can find the values of x and y. The given vector a and vector b will be given. Now a vector equal to the vector b. Now putting the values of these vector x plus 2, it means that how to find the values of x and y. Very easy. The component of x will be equal to the x and the component of y will be equal to the y. It means that we can find very easily separate the values of x and values of y. It means that first we can find its equations, then we solve the equation one by one to find the values of x and y. Here x plus 2 equal to 10 minus x and 4 minus y equal to y minus 5. 2x, x will be shifted from one side, x will be separate and constant term will be separate. 2x equal to the 8, here x is equal to 4. And this way 4 minus y equal to y minus 5, 2y equal to the 9. Now we can find the values of y and x. X is a 4 and y is a 4 into 1 by 2. Now these required numbers. Now the required x and y we can put in the given vector a. The given vector a give x plus 2. Here we can put the values of x, which is equal to the 4. 4 plus 2. It means that the required number becomes 6. And 4 minus y. Here 4, its value 4 minus y. Y is 4 into 1 by 2. And now we can find it very easy by the help of LCM. So the answer is 6 into minus 1 by 2. Now if a vector a will be given, so it become a negative of the vector. Any vector become a negative of a vector if we change the symbol of the given vectors. in the x-axis or in y-axis. Now we can find the magnitude of the vector A. You can remember that, dear students, the given vector A in which x and y will be included, but you can understand the values of x and y that you can find from first part, we can put them without, then we can understand the vector A which is separate from x and y, because the values of x and y that you can find, we can put them very simply, and then we can find the magnitude very easy. And this way the square of 6 plus into minus 1 by 2 raised square. So the answer is 36 plus 1 by 4. After simplification, 145 by 4, which is the required answer. And this way the vector B, 10 minus x, y minus 5. Here the values of x that you can find, we can put them, and the value of y we can find, put them. So the value of vector B we can find without x and y. Now this the vector very easily gives us in magnitude 36 plus 1 by 4. So the answer will be same. Now the magnitude of A equal to the magnitude of B is 145 raised square of 4, which is easily you can find. Now if the magnitude of A equal to the magnitude of vector B, then squaring on both sides, it means that how we can find y terms of x. So 2y minus 24 plus 105. This is the equation number 1, and since we can find the values of y, 24x minus plus 105 divided by 2, which is the required terms of x, y equal to the terms of x. A may not be equal to B because only their magnitude are equal, but they have not same in direction, because they have in different direction but the same in magnitude. In this way our task will be completed. So any unsolved problem that disturb you, you can send me, I solve your problem. Thanks for watching.